Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Close.com to Twilio SMS for appointment confirmations. Full guide step by step clear. To connect Close.com to Twilio SMS for appointment confirmations, begin by logging. Navigate to the Settings tab in the lower left corner of the dashboard. In the Settings menu, look for the API section. Click on the API keys option to generate a new key. Create a new API key specifically for Twilio integration. Make sure to copy the generated API key, as you will need it later. Next, open a new browser tab and log into your Twilio account. If you don't have an account, sign up for one on the Twilio website. Once logged in, navigate to the console dashboard. Locate the phone numbers section in the Twilio dashboard. If you don't have a Twilio phone number, you will need to purchase one. After acquiring a number, click on the phone number to access its settings. Scroll down to the messaging section of the phone number settings. Here, you will see options for configuring webhooks. Now, go back to your Close.com account. In Close.com, navigate to the integration section within settings. Select the option to add a new integration and find Twilio from the list. You will need to paste the API key you generated earlier from Close.com. Once the API key is entered, save the integration settings. Return to Twilio and set up the webhook URL for the SMS features. This URL will point to the Close.com API endpoint for receiving SMS messages. Make sure to configure the HTTP method as post. Once the webhook is set, save the configuration. You should now be able to send SMS messages from Close.com through Twilio. Test the integration by creating a new appointment in Close.com. Confirm that an SMS notification is sent to the designated phone number. If the SMS is sent successfully, the integration is complete. If not, revisit the settings in both Close.com and Twilio to troubleshoot. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.